Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we're out here at Bowling Green today. We're gonna see, we got Sergio out here. We've got Jake out here with the 2-valve car, which I'll show you guys here in a minute. And there's actually a Cobra over here now. You guys can see in the back right there. We're gonna go check that thing out. It's gonna make some passes. Jake built that car. Is it? Dang. So I'm actually filming this intro late. I was trying to trick you guys, but Sergio and them are talking now. So we already hurt Sergio's car. You guys will see that here in a minute. We thought we hurt the motor, but I think now the transmission is broken, not the converter, or not the engine. So we're trying to figure out what's going on with that. Hopefully, like I said, hopefully it's not the motor. But anyways, we're gonna get some more racing in and see what happens. But we'll go ahead and see what's going on with this thing. So. So the setup on Jake's car is very similar to my old setup. I know y'all have seen it on the channel before, but for the people that don't know, it is now it has a Texid block, a 20 over Texid with Wiseco pistons. I'm unsure on what the compression ratio is, but it has fully ported PI heads. It's got some custom cams from. Are your cams from Modular Head Shop?
MHS, yeah.
Are they comp cams?
Yeah, comp.
Yeah, so it's got comp, custom cams from Jordan and Modular Head Shop. Obviously it's got the Edelbrock on it, the 6061 plenum, and then this little baby 7675 turbo. Transmission, it's running a 4R70, and it's got a somewhat built 8.8 in it. Jake just put 5/8 wheel studs in the back. Now you ain't gotta worry about breaking those at the rear end. So the car went 880 at 159 last year, and I think Jake wants to go a little bit faster. I think the car could go 850s with a good 60 foot, maybe even faster. The limiting factor will be the turbo, but if you can get 160 mile per hour trap speed, you can run 850s. Even 840s if your half track's good enough. So we're gonna get out here on the track and see what it does. right, looks like Sergio's broke down there. Looks like we're in a hold squat again.
Somebody messed up again.
All right, Jake, you want to tell the audience what happened?
So, we're not sure if it added anything up top or not, but it trapped over 150. And when I got to the end of the track, Tech rode up on a scooter and said, "Come back with a fire suit."
So
he was really nice about it, though.
Yeah, that was cool.
He was still like, "Yeah, you need to come back." And he's like, "You honestly need an HRA license." But
yeah.
He's like, "You need to see."
Well, I wish I had my fire suit. If I had my trailer, I could have let you use my fire suit.
It's all good. I think we're probably gonna have to rework some stuff with the way the cruise control's set up to get it up where it needs to be anyway. I need CO2.
Pretty good. Alright guys, so I didn't get a chance to film an outro like always when I go to the racetrack, so I apologize for that. So it's the next day, and I just wanted to catch you guys up a little bit with what happened yesterday, because when I get busy at the track, sometimes I don't pick the camera up and record, and I'm trying to help Sergio and help Jake and everyone else. So sorry about that. That just is what it is. So we windowed the block in Sergio's car. I didn't get that on video. He was kind of upset. I mean, who wouldn't be when you blow your stuff up? So I didn't want to rub it in by putting it on video and trying to capitalize off of his misfortune. So didn't get it on video, but we did window the block. He's already got another block sourced out of the junkyard that we're going to build. So the Z won't be down long. Jake's car, we're chasing some issues with it. The car's down a few mile per hour from last year. So we're trying to figure out what's going on with that. The intake air temps were pretty hot, so we think there may be a boost leak. So he's tracking that down. But overall, the car ran pretty well for his first time out at the track this year. The Black Cobra, I didn't get to video it, but Jake actually built that car for the owner. It's very nice. It has a Precision 7675 and a 6R80 swap. And it ran pretty good. It needs some work off the line. It leaves like a dog because it doesn't leave on any boost. But I'm sure Jake will get that stuff figured out. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. My car, I'm tying up some loose ends on it. So it's not out once I get a couple of things fixed on it, it's going to be out making some passes and ready to go. So be on the lookout for that, hopefully in a week or so. Just hit that like button, and like always, comment and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later.